Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your clothes. This is the easiest DIY. I'm going to transform leggings into crop top. Fold the leggings in half. Cut out this area of the leggings to create the color of your crop top. And this is the result. The second DIY is going to be with a scarf. Cut 2 pieces of fabric measuring 116 centimeters long and 34 centimeters wide. Fold each long side over 1 centimeter and again 1 centimeter and stitch down. This is how it's going to look. Place one piece under the other piece. Pin the edges. Sew all along this line. Do the same on the back. You could leave it like this, but I decided to sew here and here. The last DIY is with a skirt into a handbag. Measure and cut off the skirt. Pin the bottom of the skirt together on the wrong side and sew it. This is how it's going to look. With the other piece from the skirt, I'm going to make the handles. Cut 2 strips, 72 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. Fold the strip in half. And fold it again. Pin all along the strip. and sew it. This is one handle and both of them. Measure 7 centimeters and sew the handles in place. And this is the handbag. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.